Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm going to be installing some new Vauxhall Corsa D air vents into my Corsa 2009. This should be a quick and easy one. I'm also going to include another part of the video as well, where I install some door panel trims, which is in a silver this time. A lot of people have wanted me to try this, not to necessarily keep on, but just to see what it looks like, because at the moment I've got some carbon fiber wrapped ones on there that I've done myself in another video, and you can see that up there. But basically guys, I'm going to be changing the original air vents on the left and far right side. The two center console ones are both silver at the moment. It's like a brushed chrome effect, and that's what I'm going to be installing today. Let's go and get these new air vents on and get the new side panels on as well. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to put it in between just here. Just push it in and unclip both sides. And then guys, you just want to work your way up. And obviously it should just come off. And as you can see, it's come off and it hasn't broken. This is what it's going to look like as well, by the way guys. But what we're going to do is we're going to change this. We're not going to take this off and just leave that obviously because it's new. We're going to take out the whole back in here, because this piece here is the same as that, but I want it to be the chrome colour to match these two there. So guys, let's get the backing out now. I'm going to push down the clips. You can see just there's a little clip, and then you want to do that on all sides. So you've got 4 clips. And then guys, it will come out just like that has. And obviously, as you can see, all the front's fallen out whilst I've been doing it, but you can just clip it all back if you want to sell it. So now that's done, you can get the new one. It should literally just look like that now, and all you want to do is just push it in, as easy as that. This one here is the new one, and that there is the old one, and you can already tell a crazy difference, and it just suits the car so much more now, because obviously I've got these installed on my new center console, which you would have seen on a previous video, and if you haven't, you can clip the tag there. So that is a new one on. Let's go and get the old one off on here and change it to this new one. And the same again, just pry out that ring, and once you've done the 2 bottom clips, you want to do one of the sides, just one of them at the bottom, and it will just come off just as easy as that, as you just saw there. So we can get rid of that one again, and now it's just the same again. You've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. All them 4 clips need prying out, and it should just come out nice and easily. And as you can see there guys, it does keep falling apart, but it will go back together. And as you can see there, once you get 1, 2, 3 and 4 clips out, it will just pull out as easy as that again, as you can see there, and it will look like that. Just this time it's come out whole. Alright guys, we've got the new one again, and now you just want to push it back in, push it in just like that, and it is done. And that is the new air vents installed, so now it matches with all of that, as you can see there. And that is the final product from the original colour, which looked just like that. So this is the old one guys, and this is the new one, and as you can see, it looks a hell of a lot better for the car than it did originally with these ones on. And as you can see here, all you do is put this piece back on if it's broke off, just like that. Get the ring, and where you can see this little clip there with a hole in it, you want to get it on this clip on all 4 of them guys. To the final bit, you are meant to use these little orange plastic grips to get them off, but you can literally just do it with your hands guys. Now I did a video on this about a year ago now, of when I wrapped them in the carbon fiber, because they originally looked just like this here with the same finish. But guys, here it is now. Obviously it wasn't the best wrap because it was my first ever wrap, and it's managed to stay this long. I don't know if I'm going to get rid of these for good, but I'm just going to go and see what they look like on. Here's a new one compared to the old one here. So all you literally do, guys, is simple as this. Just put it on, just like that, guys, and as you can see there, that is it with the chrome, and then with the original piece. I'm not too sure yet if I'm going to keep this, but it does look very nice. It looks more like an Astra's interior, but it does look nice, but I don't know if I am going to just stick with that. What do you guys think? Should I stick with the old one, or should I stick with this new one? Let me know in the comment section down below. But there's it in chrome, and there's it in the carbon, as you can see just there. But yeah, let me know what you think. Should I go carbon, or should I go with the chrome? So now the whole car matches inside. And guys, let me know if you think I should get a Vauxhall Corsa D VXR steering wheel with like grey stitching. This line is here in red and grey. Let me know your opinions down below, and if you do want it, I'll try my best to make it happen. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. I do hope you all enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just comment it down below and I'll try my best to respond, or someone else in the comments will. And that is it from me today, guys, unfortunately. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed and you're new. Also guys, all the links of where I got these products will be down in the description below and in the top of the comment section pinned. And I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, guys.